Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and the presentation. This immediately anchors the live connection. Select the exact Excel range you need and copy it. You want a clean, defined table or chart. In PowerPoint, go to the slide where the data belongs, choose Paste Special and pick Paste Link as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object. This preserves the live link. Once done, position and resize the object so the layout matches your slide's visual hierarchy. Now you manage how the link behaves and why that matters. Open File, right arrow Info, or use Edit Links to view the connection, switch between automatic and manual updates, or change the source workbook if you moved files. Choose linking when you want live updates. Embed only when you need a snapshot. If you need formatting adjustments, double-click the linked object to edit in Excel or use PowerPoint's chart tools. This keeps presentation styles intact while retaining the live connection. Finish by saving both files and confirming the link refresh behavior. This prevents surprises during your presentation. Before you present, update links manually or open the source workbook so PowerPoint can pull the current values. If links break, often due to file renames or moved folders, open Edit Links, point to the correct source, or recopy and repaste the range as a new linked object. One key tip: maintain consistent file paths or use a shared network location to avoid broken links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.